and it actually didn't come with paddles or any balls or anything. My name is Alvaro. I'm the owner of Ceramic Pro Riverside. We are a Ceramic Pro Elite dealer, and we do everything from film installations, paint protection coatings, and tint. A Ceramic Pro Elite dealer is basically the cream of the crop as far as Ceramic Pro installers go. We are certified in every service. You are able to offer the full suite of Ceramic Pro products, from the Ultimate IR line, Ceramic Pro Ion, to the Ultimate Armor package. So we're basically just like the elite level, as the name suggests, of Ceramic Pro installers. So basically, the business itself started as a vinyl wrap shop, and we were having issues with vinyl wraps not lasting due to the UV and just harsh conditions here in Southern California. So we're looking for a brand or product to help prolong the life of our wraps, which turned us to Ceramic Pro. We built that relationship, installing first their product on our vinyl wraps, which then scaled up to, again, paint protection film, tint, and automotive coatings. And from there, it's just been a good relationship. This is our intimate lobby here. We're working with a little bit of a smaller space, so we try to jam pack a lot of stuff in here, from our informational stuff to all of our informational boards over here. But as a customer, you'll walk in, you'll have our little waiting area here as you're waiting for your ride or waiting for the work to be finished on your vehicle. We've got our coffee station, beverage station over here as well. And then when you come in, you'll most likely be greeted by my wife, Vanessa. She'll be able to help you out as we work through getting everything dialed in for your vehicle. Again, being a smaller Ceramic Pro Elite dealer, we try to elevate that customer experience and ensure that you kind of have that family vibe when you come in through here, giving you that intimate experience, knowing that you're going to be supported by a small business from purchase to years beyond that installation. And from there, we walk through and we go into our bay, where you kind of see where all the magic happens. And now we come into our shop. So here behind me, you're gonna see all the different films that we're gonna install on your vehicle. We've got all our different PPFs and levels of tint. We also have our state-of-the-art GraphTech plotter. This is gonna help us to cut perfect patterns for vehicles that come in, helps us provide a better installation and just great quality and consistent products all around. As we walk through, you can see below me, we've got these awesome gray, pink, and black Swiss tracks. These were a great addition to our shop, because the nature of our install, we're always spraying a bunch of water. We're sitting in puddles all the time, and this helps to keep us dry and also just provides a cool, clean looking workspace. Over here, we've got a ping pong table that we ordered, and it actually didn't come with paddles or any balls or anything. But we use it as a makeshift peel board, weeding table. We cut all our patterns down here and we just lay our film out. Nice thing is, it folds up and can go away. We just walk through our wash bay. Indoor, outdoor, we can use it any way we need to. If we need something that's really contaminated, washed outside, we can do that, and then we pull your car in and just continue to work on it as we go. We've got our 3 working bays. Basically, because we are a small shop, we don't have tons of employees, so we all wear different hats, and we're basically all pitching in on each car that comes through here, helping where we can, whether it be paint protection film or coating or tint or prepping a vehicle. We all can step in and take care of whatever car is being worked on. The way we try to arrange it is we have like longer term projects that don't necessarily need to move anytime soon. We'll go into this bay, and the other 2 are kind of shorter term projects that can be moved in and out fairly easily. Another cool thing that we use regularly are our install kegs that I have back here. Again, it just streamlines our workflow. It helps us to speed things up. We don't have to keep running back and forth to the sink to fill up spray bottles. We've got nice kegs that will last for an entire project, and again, speed up everything that we do. One other thing that often gets overlooked is climate control. We've got 2 systems here. Can cool basically up to 5,000 square feet, which is more than what we have here. But in Riverside, we get temperatures of up to about 125, 130 sometimes on really highs. Keeping it climate controlled and comfortable is a really big perk. We're not sweating bullets while we're working on your car. We're not worrying about film drying too fast, and it just is awesome. Another thing that we thought was important was to add a lot of lighting. So if you're ever in here and you look up, you're gonna see basically 25 suns in the sky and you're gonna go blind. But the purpose of that is so that we can see exactly what we're working on all the time. We can see every imperfection, we can find any flaw and make sure that our product that we're installing goes down perfectly and flawlessly. That pretty much sums it up. That's Ceramic Pro Riverside in a nutshell. And this is our workspace, and like I said, we've put a lot of time and effort into it, and we're just really proud of this space that we've got right now. The support that Sam and Ryan and all the other folks at Ceramic Pro have given me and my business has been immeasurable. From product questions to training support to helping new hires to establishing processes within the business to not only provide quality services, but also scale the business up. That support has just been a complete game changer for the business and how we've been able to grow over the last couple of years since we became an elite dealer. So the most epic car we've worked on to date, I think, would be our LMP3 wrap project. It was a full carbon body LMP3 race car. We did a full livery on it and then protected it with our Ceramic Pro vinyl coating. So that one was just pretty cool. Just awesome car all around. If you're looking to start an elite dealer, the biggest thing is accepting the fact that you're gonna have to go all in, because you're not gonna be able to succeed being lukewarm, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Ceramic Pro is willing to make this huge commitment to you and your shop as a support network, but that can only get your shop so far. You have to be willing to take that other step as well. In my case, it was bringing on employees to help me scale the business and trust other people with the work and quality that we're providing. So I think that's one of the biggest things, trusting in yourself that you're gonna be able to continue to build that business model up.